Welcome to our analysis of Palantir Technologies, a leading provider of big data analytics. Traded as PLTR on the New York Stock Exchange, Palantir has made a significant impact since its initial public offering in 2020. The company has two primary software platforms, Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry, which serve government and commercial customers respectively. It's worth noting that Palantir's co-founder, Peter Thiel, is also a co-founder of PayPal. Palantir's platforms offer advanced data integration, visualization, and analysis capabilities. Gotham is used by government agencies for tasks like counterterrorism and defense intelligence, while Foundry serves industries like healthcare, legal research, and automotive. These platforms allow users to make sense of large, complex data sets, providing crucial insights and facilitating decision-making. Their flexibility and scalability are standout features. Palantir uses a unique pricing model. It charges customers based on the value they get from the software rather than a fixed fee. This can lead to high costs for larger organizations, but it also aligns Palantir's interests with their customers. The company also offers multi-year contracts, which provides revenue stability. Palantir's software is ideal for organizations that deal with large volumes of complex data. Government agencies use it for counterterrorism and defense. In the private sector, it's used for fraud detection, supply chain optimization, and customer data analysis. It's also used in the healthcare sector for disease tracking and research. The sheer versatility of Palantir's platforms makes them suitable for a wide range of applications. Palantir's strengths lie in its advanced technology, diversified customer base, and unique pricing model. Its software is capable of analyzing complex datasets, offering valuable insights. The diversified customer base, spanning both government and commercial sectors, provides a strong revenue stream. Its pricing model, based on value delivered, aligns the company's interests with its customers. Despite its strengths, Palantir also has its challenges. Its reliance on government contracts exposes it to political risks and public scrutiny. The unique pricing model can lead to high costs for customers, potentially limiting its market. The company has also faced criticism over privacy concerns and lack of transparency. Palantir's advanced data analysis capabilities make it a valuable tool for many organizations. Its diversified customer base and unique pricing model are major strengths. However, its reliance on government contracts, potential high customer costs, and privacy concerns are significant challenges. Overall, it's a promising stock with considerable potential, but investors should be aware of its risks. Thank you for watching our analysis of Palantir Technologies. We hope you found it informative. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful stock analyses. Until next time, happy investing.